What's up investors, my name is Artem Dikarev and in a couple of minutes you will know what is a mutual fund. I will first give you a professional definition and then I will explain it as easy as I can with examples. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing by watching such short videos, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video to show the support for the young creator. Many more videos are coming. Thank you so much and let's get straight to the point. Alright, so mutual fund is an open-end fund type that uses pooled investors' money to invest in securities such as stocks, bonds or any other financial assets. And if you're not sure what an open-end fund means, feel free to watch my previous videos. And here is an example. Every mutual fund has a fund manager. He or she actively manages the fund by selecting new investments and getting rid of unprofitable ones. For this reason, investing in mutual funds always comes with a mandatory fee payment. Think about mutual fund as a place where people deposit their money and they let the professionals do all the investment related type of work. Investing in mutual funds might be a good idea if you are feeling not confident about finances or you do not want to make complicated investment decisions. One thing to know about mutual funds is that their shares are not traded on the stock market. You buy and sell shares of mutual funds directly from such funds and prices change only daily. The price is determined at the end of every single trading day and it's the representation of net asset value, which is total assets value minus total liabilities divided by total number of shares outstanding. And the way investors can make money by investing in mutual funds is through dividends or capital gains distributions. And if you still have any questions after watching this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll personally reply to you. Check my other videos to see if there's anything else you want to learn about personal finances and investing. Thank you all so much for spending this couple of minutes with me. I really hope there was something new that you learned today and was straight to the point.